12 millimeters? 30? Oh.
I bought it so I can go to smaller galaxies
Oh.
for imaging. Yeah, that's what it's for. But again, it's very nice there for
Carphone sana tayo.
with that big eyepiece you can do.
Ay, malamang including ikaw. Alam mo, mag-drive sa inyo mo. Alam mo, mag-drive sa inyo.
Explore Scientific 2-inch eyepieces.
Ako na guys.
800 grams each.
That's it. It's kind of heavy. Almost a kilogram. How many lens elements did it have? To make
I bought a couple of these Explore Scientific. Somebody